type of dancing when two people dancing as one. So connection in dance couple is very important, and today we're going to show you how to stay connected and move together.
It's quite sophisticated position. First of all, let us show for you how we guys staying together. I'm going to stay on the right foot and Oksana staying on the left. And we have good connection in our centers. Then guys, I'm going to place my right hand on Oksana's left shoulder blade and then invite her go slightly to the left. You can see we have a perfect connection in the center, nice frame, and it looks very comfortable but quite sophisticated. But what we're really doing here, thank you very much. Right, so guys, we're going to speak about man position. Again, try to imagine you staying on the middle of the clock. So we stay on the middle of the clock, our feet and hips pointing 12, behind us 6 o'clock, on the left side 9, and here it's 3 o'clock. So I'm keeping my feet and my hips pointing at 12 o'clock. Now, we're going to turn our rib cage slightly to the right, and it's going to point at 1 o'clock and head at 11. If I'm going to stay too straight, 12, 12, 12, looks like we don't have enough space in our upper body. But if we're going to use our center slightly to the right and head slightly to the left, we are creating more space in our upper body. Now about ladies. Ladies' position slightly more sophisticated. So ladies, you stay on the left foot and your feet and your center pointing 12 o'clock. Then ladies, you're turning your center, your solar plex, slightly to the right. Your center pointing at 1 o'clock. And ladies, now you're extending and moving your head over the heel of your left foot and your face looking at 10 o'clock. So 12, 1, and 10. But remember, your elbows and your shoulders still parallel with the floor. So you're not bringing one shoulder or another up. Thank you. Now, when we're going to stay together, it looks quite different. We're going to show you from different position. If I'm staying on my right and inviting Oksana, she is coming to me and her right hip towards my right hip. So now, gentlemen, 12, 1, 10. And for ladies, lady moving 12, 1, 10. Now you can see we have nice connection through the center, but beautiful upper body, spacious and big upper body position. And now we are going to move into the waltz.